Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Cookie Roses. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make slime. So the first thing you're going to go to, it is going to be to go get the glue, which is going to be, hold on. Well, I guess the bowl, you can go to like this thing. I don't know what it's called. It's like for home decorations. If you don't have it, I don't know where else you can find it. I'll just recommend you to go to this place. Just loading in. You're gonna come here and then you're gonna find this bowl right here. So then you're gonna grab someone right here. And then I'm gonna grab this girl. And just go out. Just grab the bowl. And then go out. And then you're gonna go get the glue. The glue, you can find it at school or the daycare. Here's the school. Right here, the two glues. So I'm gonna grab my character that I used. And don't worry about the mess. This is what I was playing last time. And then just grab the glue and push it back and then just go somewhere else. And you're gonna have to go get some more glue actually. I'm gonna go to the daycare. Sorry about the noises. My dad's talking to someone. We're Hispanic, so I'm gonna find some right up here. I don't think so if you can see it, or if you can't see it, that's good. Right up here. Just gonna put it in the bowl, and now we're gonna leave. And for the activator, you're gonna go to the mall. If you don't have the mall, I actually don't know where you can find it else, cause I only find it on these places. Go to floor 2. And just grab the person right here. Just go to the glasses. And then here you go. Just grab both of them. And then you can just leave. And then where you're gonna go is you're gonna go to the place that you're gonna do it. Which I'm gonna do it right over. Where is it? Oh my god. Don't worry, it's just that I actually don't know where to do it. I think I'm gonna go right here to the first floor because we have to go grab some things in the first floor. So I guess there. Okay, so we're here in this apartment. Don't mind, they're sleeping. Grab their character. Go into their house and grab this thing, I don't know what it's called, and the spoon. And then just go to the second floor. Okay, so I'm gonna take these characters away for a couple of minutes, and I think I'm gonna fix here a little. I'm just gonna put everything in the table just because this is where we're gonna do our slime. Right up here. Grab our character and just put her inside. So first we're gonna put that right there. Put that right there. Grab the activator, the 2 activators, the 4 glues, all the glues, and put the bowl right there and just just do everything like normal. Activator. And then grab this thing. Then just mix it all. Just mix it, mix it, mix it. Do some glue. Some more glue. And some more activator. Then just mix it, mix it, mix it. I'll be with you guys because you have to do this a couple like times. So I'll be with you guys when I am done making it. Okay guys, so I just tried it like a couple times. And you're going to have to also do this. So you're going to go out, just leave all the stuff there. You're going to have to go get some food coloring. I actually forgot that. I was just making it normally and it was white until I realized. So where you're gonna go is the mall, second floor. I'm so sorry about the noises, bro. I'm sorry. So then you're gonna go to the this style thingy, and you're gonna grab one of these. I'm gonna grab yellow and blue. And now we just go out. I'll meet you guys at home. Bye. Okay, heading home. Actually, I'm right here. So now we just come here and take out our character. And yeah, this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna do it right here. First, you're gonna add some glue. Oopsies. Add some glue. Add some food coloring. And then add some activator. And then just mix. I'm gonna let the character mix it. So I'm gonna do this a couple times and I'll be with you guys when I am done. There you go. Just give it a little more mix. And there you go. So I decided to change the color a little. And there you go. Enjoy your slime. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to leave a like. And I hope you enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna be doing more Toca World. I hope you enjoyed me. Go follow my TikTok, Cookie Roses. I hope you enjoyed today's video. As I said, I love you guys so much. Peace, my cookies.